Alright, I'm ready to practice our plies again. Let's see. What's important to think about when we do our plies? Can you remember? That's right! We need to keep our backs straight and tall. And when we plie, we keep our heels on the floor. And when we plie, we use our turn out, which helps our knees open out to the side. Okay, great. Wonderwall, will you help us with the music this time, please? Thank you. Let's begin. Then slowly down and come back up. We do it again. Keep it nice and smooth. Nice tall backs. Last time. First, open and down to bra bar. We did it!